Today what I'm going to show you is finding the keyblade through the vehicle database. In some cases you're not sure what the keyblade is exactly, so the Dolphin actually can narrow it down for you. So what we can do is go through vehicle database. We'll use Toyota as an example for today. We'll go to T, go to Toyota, and you can actually choose the specific vehicle. Go to Camry as an example, and also gives you more options to narrow it down even further. Let's say we had a Gen 7 between 2006 and 2009, and click OK. So it lets me know that's a Toy 43 blade. In certain cases, if you're not sure at all, you can actually go all key blanks and it'll show you all the options that Toyota has to offer, which is really helpful sometimes when it comes to keys that we're not sure exactly what they are. Alrighty, and the good thing is it has a large database of lots of vehicles, so if you're ever stuck, it's a good guide and a good indication of what blade to use. Thank you. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for you today, and thanks for watching.